In last session, we already completed how to format our document, editing and formatting, our 10th chapter. Editing and formatting document. We see alignment, left alignment, center alignment. Now we are going to formatting paragraph is the most common requirement in creation of any document and therefore it is most widely used feature of any word processor. Several options in the form of button is formatting toolbar. There are formatting toolbar in our writer. There are formatting toolbars. See, with the help of formatting toolbar, we are able to format our document. What is mean by format? When we write anything new text document, this is our writer document. There are two toolbars. You are able to see this toolbar. See, standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. The toolbar which is we are using to cut, copy, paste. This is new line. I want to give demo of bullets and numbering. We also learn how to update or edit documents. So these three lines are right here. Now I want to make attractive to this line. Control A, I will do select. What it mean by attractive? I will give more big size. I will bold it. Now I want to change the color of this text. See, font color. I want to give light red color. Are you able to see? It become attractive. Now I want to give number to this content. Just control A. See, here are bullets. This is a formatting toolbar. In our textbook, they are show us bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering, we can given him bullets on off, numbering off, promote level. This all we are able to do here. See, numbering on off. If you click here, number will come. See, this is the number. Bullets on off. Number on off. Now number are off. See, here are bullets. Bullets on. So this is a bullet style. When you select bullets, bullet bar will become. When you select number, number bar will come. Decrease indent. See, increase indent. Indent means this is a first line indent, left indent. If you will want to start our first line from here, it will come like this here. This is left indent. What you want to write from here, it will come like this. How much distance you want to put it? This will be done by with the help of it. So how we can give bullets and numbers? Able to hear. There are different type of bullets. See, when we select it, Control A, number on off, bullet on off. Which bullet you want to give? See, bullets, this type of bullets or this type of number which you want to give in your document. Bullets on. Insert a number, enter leaf, move up, move down. Restart numbering. bullets and numbering. See, which type of bullet you want to give this bullet? Okay, this bullet will come. Numbering time. You want to give this number? Okay, it will come. So this is simple bullets and numbering. Spelling check, checking spelling and grammar. Suppose when we write any document, we don't know if my spelling is correct or wrong, correct or not correct. So I write here my friend name, FIERND. Name is, now you know very well because there is a, I will change the color of this text. Are you able to see this red line? It is indicate that there is a spelling mistake. Computer tell us there is a spelling mistake, you can correct it. There are two ways to correct it. Just right click, the correct option will be there, autocorrect. It will give you fired, friend, which is the correct, you just select it. Your option will be selected. Another option, I will again, you just select F7. F7 key from the, see, F7 key from the keyboard, spelling check or select ABC button on the, see this is the ABC button, this is the spelling and grammar. You just go here, it will show you, not in dictionary. Ignore करना है, you want to do ignore it or you want to correct it. This is the correct, change, close, did it change? Now there is also red line under this my friend's name, but in noun, each and every noun, suppose I write my name here, it will also show the red line. We can write Surat because nouns are not available in dictionary, so it shows the red line for it. So we can, to perform a separate spell check on document, click on ABC button, underline this line. This line is really very important. How can we change the name? How can we change the spelling mistake? How can we update the spelling wrong spellings with correct? Now using synonym and thesaurus. What do you mean by synonym? You know very well. What is the synonym of the friend? See. Just click on friend, right click. Synonym means same name, same meaning of this word. Buddy. Buddy is the synonym of friend. When we select it, right click, synonym option will be there, right click. See, Control F7 instead of selecting option, Control plus F7. When you, or you can go edit, see, Control Control F7 is not working here. The option is here, synonym. Language thesaurus. We will go to language option. See, language. Scissors. Word. Which word you want to select? I want a friends synonym. Tools. Language. Scissors. See, person, generic form, morsel. If you want to change friend with another word, see, soul, generic item, person, generic item. You want to change friend with which name? Go to language. Okay, friend will become person. Now, neighbor. You know very well what is now spelling mistake. Neighbor. Go to spelling and grammar. Neighbor. It will change. Yes. Okay. Select it. Tools. Language. Teacher. Neighbor. Someone. You want to change it with. Okay. Is it done? So here almost we complete this chapter. Just one content is there. What is autocorrect? Autocorrect means what? Suppose I write A, Ahmedabad will automatically come. S, Surat will automatically come. This is called autocorrect. Writer's autocorrect function is used to correct the typing error to some extent. There is a long list of common spelling which is writer autocorrect the function. When such misspelling is encountered, writer correct it automatically. For example, people use write aggressive instead of aggressive, or supposed instead of supposed. When the missing misspelling are encountered, it becomes automatically. From the menu bar, choose tools and autocorrect option to autocorrect. We will not give demo of this because students do the wrong mistakes, wrong words for autocorrect. Tools menu, autocorrect. You just know from where it will come. Tools menu, autocorrect option will be there. Word count, autocorrect. These all options are here. Autocorrect option. Suppose avoid, about. These all are already here. We just know how to it come. There is another option, word count. How many words are there in our page? Page 1, 30 words, characters 148. All these minor options are here. You just read once using auto text. Creating auto text, how to create auto text. Control F3. Edit auto text or press Control F3. Go to edit menu, auto text will be there. Suppose hello, shortcut H, close. It will come. So this simple, see this way. My auto text, RGTU, line numbering, how many numbers are there, containing words in selection, changing case selected text. I want to lowercase or uppercase. See, hello. This is a small case. I want to it capital. Auto spell check. Format, change case. Go to format menu. Change case. Uppercase. It will become uppercase. Format, change case. It will become lowercase. You are able to do multiple text in a single click to change case. Here we almost complete this text. In this chapter we just see how to edit and format our document. Now you must be complete all the contents, all the questions of this chapter. We will stop here. Thank you. વિજેતા હવે શું કરવાનું એન્ડ કરું ના એન્ડ મીટિંગ ફોર ઓલ